escape the rain. First pull. For the longest time when I was younger, I just wanted to become good at something to make my parents proud. But for some reason, for some whatever character flaw I had, I could never really get good at anything, really. And I went from thing to thing. I tried all these different things, and I felt like I just kept failing at them, not really getting anywhere with anything. I just felt like a failure for a large part of my life. And that felt me with a lot, and that left me with a lot of hatred, because I wanted to have something to blame. Hatred for the world, because I felt like the world was rejecting me. And hatred for myself, because why couldn't I become the person that I wanted to be? What was wrong with me? Lifting gave me a purpose. It was something productive for me to do. It still is something productive for me to do. But when I just started lifting, I just finished high school, and I wasn't spending my time doing the best things. And I figured, I could either keep going down the path that I'm on and spending my time doing things that I shouldn't be. It gave me something better to do. Lifting gave me a purpose. It was something productive to do. Lifting gave me belief in the process. Lifting gave me accountability. Lifting gave me courage to put myself in situations where I had to have courage. And lifting gave me discipline. So I did a little experiment on this day to test out the PR reps and kind of see how much do they actually help me for bench press. So the first set I did completely raw. So the first two sets I did completely raw. Then the third set I put on the reps pretty loose, and then ended up getting the same amount of reps. And then the last set I put them on as tightly as I could wrap them, and ended up getting one extra rep. They probably would have helped more if I did the extra tight wrap for the first set. I might have gotten the extra 2 reps maybe. But yeah, honestly, I thought they would have helped a little bit more. But these aren't they're not like Goblin Gear wraps, which is the ones which I normally see online where people are talking about wraps. So I'm guessing the Goblin Gear wraps help a lot more, but I'm probably not going to get them because the whole point of wraps for me was just to kind of, I'm not looking to get like 50 pounds of assistance. I'm just trying to get a little bit of overload. Just to kind of mix it up for the training. I'm not trying to mess around with 405 yet.
Side of heaven's eyes, the gates will never open. I'm smoking on this field of hope. Wait until my deal gets closed. I keep getting hotter, but all I seem to feel is cold. 22 don't feel so old, but I think I'm 82. Mean to tell me God took 7 days and all he made was you.